Wow, guys, this Bulletproof coffee, it got me. Wow. So, I drink coffee a lot. Little known fact, I do coffee enemas as well. Often. A lot. Twice a day. So, here's the deal. I had a cup of this bulletproof coffee. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you've seen the video, but I make a concentrated cold brew as well. So, anyways, I got the original whole bean because I was intrigued. It talked about on the side of the label here that, there's some 27 step proof method they use in order to make sure that overall they have high quality coffee that ensures little to no mold. And it's crazy because, mold is all over the place. It's all around our houses, hopefully not in extreme amounts. But the bottom line is mold's a problem. We all battle from one level to another. So I was shocked when I had this one cup of coffee in the usual ratio, like I have been doing since I talked to some of the representatives at my favorite coffee location, Madcap Coffee, which they started in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and they actually now have a couple of different locations. They even, I believe, still have one in Washington, D.C. But anyways, Madcap, they suggest using a ratio of 1 to 16. 1 part coffee, 16 parts water, or maybe 17 parts. So I've always loved coffee at Madcap. I can remember the first time going there and drinking this and being like, wow, this is good coffee. But anyways, I'm talking about Bulletproof coffee. This is the original. I wanted to get the Mentalist just because it sounds cooler than the original. But anyways, trying this, it literally blew my mind. How much energy, how energizing, and what a big kick I got out of a regular cup of this. So I guess one of the biggest factors, I don't even want to say biggest factors, but that's all I got to say. I remember brewing this and smelling some real cherry notes, even though it doesn't really say anything about cherry notes here in the description of the coffee. It says cinnamon, plum, orange, and cocoa hazelnut finish. For me, I thought there was some serious cherry notes to the cup that I made. Anyways, I really, really liked and enjoyed this Bulletproof coffee. I made mine black. I didn't go add any coconut milk or coconut this or coconut oils or minerals. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I did. I used a trace mineral, concentrate trace minerals. I like it. I use that quite often. There's one within 5 feet of me, it seems, all the time. Anyways, definitely suggest this. I'm going to try and write or make some more video reviews on some more of the Bulletproof coffees because I really, really enjoyed it.